Hey guys, so ngasigi reading sina akhoi Scorpio hariba zodiac sign sida based over reading oidoine. Scorpio hariba zodiac sign sigi 2024 gi keke pige habado akhoi hojik yengminnarase. Ahanbada main tarot card hana pick tawrase ko. Scorpio singidamakta 2024 sida keke lege habado. Three of Cups, Four of Wands, Judgment ko. The Emperor, King of Wands, Four of Swords. So, sisingse leraba matungda akhoi hojik energy card amuk pick tawrase Scorpio gidamakta. The Great Gathering ko. So, 2024 say family gumbaga and then close one single close oina loinaba khara hena attachment laigadawbagi mami ui aduga khara hena attachment laibadasu afaba piba ko. The Ever Unfolding Rose. So like Scorpio singidamakta, this is gonna be your year, this is gonna be the year you wish for ko. Phaba miyam ama piye. Energy card laire akhoi like angels answer the yes ko. Yeah, success is there for you. So 2024 sida Scorpio hariba zodiac sign se iberiba actually now singidamakta kay pige ha matamda some sort of celebrations are coming for you, like 2024 is gonna be filled with events ko haidi events apa ba haraw tayamba celebrations maybe isagi imong manungda isamak na natragasu mi atopa na kaino may achieve tarakpadagi events ama thokpa maybe new member mo welcome tawba or marriage ko happen tawba natragana like isagi imungda some sort of isagi personal oitargasu achievement kharagi celebration phangba natragana isagi close ones haidi haraw tayamna close ones singa maruk mapang natragana nakna na loinariba person duga haraw tayamna celebrate tawminaba phangga tawba dugumbagi mong mataw khara uiba ko. Four of Wands, so 2024 se career gumbagi growth laigani haibadi like isana hotnajaribaga phangakpa result ka dum manabagumba adagi isana career gumba se hena grow tawnaba hotna taragadi grow tawba gambagi opportunities anum open up torakpa adagi isana tawba thabakta isagi family and close ones singdagi dum fazana support phangba kainoma darkar lerpa matamda isagi damuta mating pangnaba mi adum leiba adugumba khara adum laigani aduna career gumbada haibadi hena grow tahonaba hena advance tawnaba plan gumba tawbiba leragadi plan jingdo execute tawba yare adum afaba matam oyebako hojik 2024 se ko adagi thabak anoba paikhatba hoba yai adagi good events khara thoknanaba isana adum hotnaba yai ko 2024 se. So judgment, like you're gonna receive the right judgment in 2024 ko 2024 sida Scorpio iberiba chili now sing se isana hotnajariba thabak tugi chap chaba result phangbagumba haibidi isana effort mya ama thadaraga hotnaragadi satisfactory and good result phangani isana effort to kitang khak thada taragadi result to satisfactory or dumaina judgmental oiba result judgmental say in a good way ko haidi isagi oiba positive oiba way the judgment phangba isana hotnari makhai chap chaba result phangba isana hotnaba watlagana result satisfactory oidaba aduguma judgmental result khar phangani. The Emperor hariba card chi matungina 2024 is gonna be your year, you're gonna be lucky, you're gonna be prosperous, financially growth is there, haidi paisa nung sagi ba growth lay, prosperity lay, lucky oy luck lay ko, but still isagi apaba may ama lay taragasu isagi ego attitude ay mangayre hay na chatpa attitude ay na khalish na chumme ay na khalish na loyre hay na chatpa ego na isagi ba apaba may ama mamanghan basu yay buko aduna 2024 se isagi damuta grow tawba yabagi afaba chances mayam pi tꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ego and personal attitude control tꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯂꯦꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ please control your ego and attitude ꯀꯣ King of Wands so growth and luck se mostly career gi side tani hena leibagi mongda uye aduga business kumba tawbada chanagadawbagi mami myam amu uye 2024 se business kumba tawba singdadi hena growth layeba ko Scorpio iberiba chilena singidamukta aduna isana business minded oiragadi hana business tawbirak poragana hena growth tawna opportunity myam lakpa yai and then business tawdaba tawgena khanba leragadi dum try tawsal hoba yai afaba dum pi aduga nakana maramda career gumba settle oiba ngamdaba singi settlement lakpa yai dum career growth myam ama pibako ado 2024 se afaba myam di pi taraga so celebrations happiness myam di pi taraga so relationship kumba di kitang section biyo habidi relationship se long term oina lerakpa relationship kumba dana khara hena section biyo haidi relationship long term oina lerakpa singda granted oina longnarakpa dagi ego tawnarakpa dagi yam long term oina leinarakpa relationship tagi distracted oina aga even part ways sa chatnarakpa yabagi chances lay duna relationship and emotional side ko di kitang control tawbiyo aduga kitang hantharaga loina biyo relationship ko ina diko aduga yamna ita muknaba khotnaba furious oirikanda or frustrative oirikanda decision lobo khotpa adugumba tawbigano yarigai long term oina lerakpa relationship ko ina yam section biyo aduga nauna form tawrakadaba relationship or nauna chaminariba relationship kumba singi ina so dum emotions kumba khara control tawbiyo ko Scorpio singi ina energy card thole the great gathering so family ga loina ba nakna leiba close person sing the get advice loba mateng loba amadi dum celebrations and happiness myam ama phangadawa lei isagi damakta chahi sigi good opportunities myam ama open up tawre haibane ba ko adagi hoi sida su dum the ever unfolding rose haije hana suya yaramdaba luck kumba isana sungoi oiroi kaina khalamba thabak khara oithorakpa gumba good opportunities phangba isana yaroi kaina khalamba jaga da thabak kumba khara happen tarakpa gumba adugumba good opportunities myam lakadawa lei aduna yes ko so sigi chahi sida isana thabak khudingmakti yes hairaga hotnabiyo ai soiduna ngamni yes I can do it haiba motive sida kanna hotnabiyo afaba myam lakadawa lei good things are yet to come in your life aduga hena chawkhatpa prosperous oiba successful oiba myam lakadawa lei hoi 2024 se loina makningba thunga chatlani haibagi wadate ups and downs adum mix tawraga chatpe ai but still afaba na khare hena lei success is there for you so try to grab everything ko adugumba vision se kartagi phangeba so Scorpio ge reading se sida loire stagi low ya advice solution birga mathangi reading amunga minarsi ko Hey guys so mathang sina akoi Sagittarius sari ba zodiac sign so ibi bechini now singi damakta 2024 sida kai kai pige Sagittarius singi damakta haibagi maramda vision se pidoine do koi hojik Sagittarius singi damakta su main card che pick tawba haujar age ko the star temperance Queen of Pentacles. So, balance is returning to your life, Sagittarius. Singi damakta life da balance kung magkaya nga chalamba kholamba or kitang negative po na chalamba khudimak loinamak afaba side tala kadawre. Like healing is coming towards you, abundance is coming towards you. Sagittarius singi 2024 giving 8 of Wands, Ace of Cups, 8 of Pentacles. So, si ma'am sa layre, hosik energy card ronda amok yang ase kay lege energy oina kay pige Sagittarius singi damakta the Ace of Light. You've been planning this for lifetime. Haidi dum hoy like this is gonna be your positive year. Sana hana dagi hotnazar pa may ama maning wa tunggadaw bagi mami uy ko. Sagittarius singi damakta. Akasha. So the universe is guiding you towards your success. Universe na yam apaba piye 2024 sida Sagittarius singi damakta ko isagi mayol chumba isa na kap ka doriba tenjay dumapa chum na kap to riko Sagittarius singi damakta. Ask your angels like trust your intuitions. Be assertive, be positive. To remain positive. Like 2024 se reading se howdringaidagi howna adum yam positive oirani haina affirm tawbiyo ba yam positive oirani haina adum khanbiyo ba ko afaba oiba haibasimak tawbi khudimak pamnai natra so Sagittarius ki oina the star so 2023, 22, 21 ko hꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ Sagittarius ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ lucky ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯗ problems or obstacles ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯏꯐꯪ ꯐꯪꯍꯧꯗꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯐꯪꯍꯧꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ success grab ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ healingꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯛꯅ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ some sort of heartbreak rejection and painꯈꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ go through ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀோ but 2024 ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ like ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ 2024 ꯁꯦ it's a year of healing it's a year of self love self growth ꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ self love self growth ꯔꯣꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ prioritize ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ selfish ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯌꯣ 2024 ꯁꯦ and then healing is coming towards you ko maybe from some other person maybe within yourself ko haidi sa ithanda personal growth rom the focus tawraga heal tawjaba yai natragana mi atapa ma laaga isabu heal tawbibo ibi yai but still healing and positivity is surrounding you it's coming towards you ko mathangda temperance and balance ko temperance ina balance describe the way balance is sagi life ta haidi Sagittarius oibi bichil down sing se balance ama ikai kai ba stable oina lepa ngamdaba jaga khara da issues khara dum thengnaba dugumba khara dum go through tawre bako adubu 2024 hariba chahi sidadi isagi lambi da isagi life ta balance soidana maki return tawrani afaba phattaba punamak balance tawraga chapmanaba changda leiraga chatlani ado positivity me amamadi soidana rakani habase card china describe tawe bako Queen of Pentacles, so abundance is also flowing towards you. Maybe career gi growth phangba, adagi financially flow phangba, paisa nuksa khara hena laagi sa je khara financial freedom and independence phangba gumba, adagi career gumba settle tawba ngamdaba singi settlement phangba gumba, settle tawba yabagi opportunities lakpa gumba, adagi career gi oina dum luck and growth paisa nuksa gi oina su dum khara aphaba haidi invest tawba ngamba natragana tungsinba ngamba khotpa or stable oirakpa flow ma lakpa dugumba khara dum thengnarakpa yaiba ko Eight of Wands ko. So growth ti miyam ama lay maybe personal side maybe adum career side maybe adum isagi iba grow tawba yaba jaga mayam ama lay but still growth tawba yaba mayam ama lay taragasu good opportunities mayam pi taragasu luck mayam ama lay taragasu isana tasengna comfort zone dagi step out tawraga hotnadragadi afaba mayam ama layaragasu grab tawba su ngamoi ko aduna isase hꯧzik se afaba mayam lakadawba lay haidi khangagasu effort se thadabada like effort kuma se kya ka haina la effort thadadabagumba or mamangda effort thadagraga kana pham khangne na khanbagi hauzik se effort thadadingdabagumba khong khut punchinbagi type the feel tawba life se tawbam khangdaba organize oidaba dugumba khara dum go through tawba male do 2024 sitadi afaba mayam ama lakadawba lairabani ne isagi comfort zone dagi step out tawraga afaba khudimak grab tawdaba yade haina khallaga hotnabiyoba ko adu tada afaba mayam se accept tawba grab tawba ngamniba Ace of Cups, so like be positive, be assertive, and then isagi iba goal and aim ama set out to thokpiyo ba 2024 se afaba mayam ama lakpa ya achum isagi life ta achumba wayel haidi judgment afaba phangba isana tawba thabaki return phangba chawkhatpa growth opportunities balance mayam ama lakpa ya ba aduna isana tasengna ai sigi life sida success oidaba ya de haibagi hotnaba gumba se tasengna point out tawraga hotnaba ngamnaba level da leibiyo adagi dum relationship kuma friendship kuma makte yengagasu isagi nungaitaba pendabagumba leragadi like burst out tawbiyo phongdokpiyo isada phumbaga thamada kanaba kemta leiroi emotions oigera negative feelings oigera positive feelings oigera loinamak open up tawbiyo burst out tawbiyo bako Eight of Pentacles so 2024 sida isana hanadagi hotnajarakpa thabak kharagi achievement or success kuma phangba isagi namukta phaba khara pige adagi ngasa haibado financial stability financial growth career growth adum khara lakadoba lay adagi 2024 sida big plans adum execute tawba hoba yare tungge ba long term vision adum set tawba hoba yare ba ko aduga adum execute planning khak nataba execute tawba action hoba yare ba ko adum Ace of Light so adum hanadagi sida su hare ko you have been training for this for the lifetime haidi hanadagi hotnajarakpa singi mahai gumba khara chaba adagi hanadagi hotnajarakpa singi apply tawba phangba sagi skills and talents execute tawba ngamba adugumba khara dum thengnarakani grow tawba yabai chances say like it's gonna be very vast and huge ko and then your guidance is divinely guided and ask your angels ko so life say afaba ngakta oyo habdi abadante good and bad things adum mix tawraga chatpa ups and downs chatpa yai ko life se adu taragasu isana 2024 se afaba mayam oibi yai but still any negativity lakpa matamda any negative things tholakpa matamda isana isagi intuition trust tawbiyo isabu dum universe na phasna guide tarakani like any problem tholapa matamda ask yourself for the answer hayebako. And then be assertive and remain positive. 2024 se yarigai achumba phaba ngakta khanbiyo aduga positive oina leibiyo harau tamna leibiyo. Problem thoga su hoi problem haiba simaktabu mi amagi life ta problem habse khara natraga na dum loinaragadi leidoine bako aduna life se dum happy and good opportunities mayam feel taraga su problem gumba khadi dum tholak pi ai do adumaina problem thopu matamda yam ekta khanjalaga phattaba ngakta khanbe mohutta positive oina ai overcome toba ngamni ai afaba lakani ai ge namukta good things are yet to come haina khalaga ko positive oina loina mak counter tawna hotna biyo ba du targade gamsu gamni ba ko. So Sagittarius nga su reading sa sila loijare stagi law ba advice sing lotion biraga matang reading mo ga ko. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more.